5. Epson EcoTank 2720 Wireless Super Tank Printer, value for money. The Epson 2720 is the ideal choice for money because it gives you all of the features to deal with the paper sheets as well as printing other such things. You would feel really easy while using this printer for sublimation. There are about 80 ink cartridges in this printer that allows you to perform colorful and very high-quality printed results. The users have the choice to select tones and shading to adjust everything accordingly. To have a few pretty one-of-a-kind and great prints on your shirt, mugs, or other designs, that Precision Core technology will allow you to get better with things. You will be producing enhanced prints with this printer. It tends to be able to connect with any wireless network through highlights like Wi-Fi Direct to permit your gadgets like Android devices or phone devices to connect with it in order to transfer prints and data. Whenever it is used with Epson inks, this printer shows its real nature of work for beginners. With changing ink bottles, it saves you around 90% of your printing cost in ink. This makes sublimation printing for this printer a lot more straightforward and easier, and positions it as one of the reasonable options to carry out for sublimation printing for your business. Product link given below in the description.